Hey, I hope you all are having a really great day, a great week, and I'm so happy you came over here. I am going to share my meal plan with you for the week, and we started out with Sunday, and I usually make steaks on the grill on Sunday, but this week we actually had hamburgers on the grill, and I made some fried potatoes which turned out really, really good. You put a little onion in those too. And I made a cold pasta salad and then a fresh green salad. And on the hamburgers, I had some bacon that you could put on it, cheese, onion, tomato, lettuce, and then you can put on any condiment you would like, mayonnaise, ketchup, A1 sauce. I have this buffalo chicken hot sauce, and then these buns were these great artesian like potato buns. They were really good, real fluffy. But this was our dinner on Sunday. And then the reason I made fried potatoes was we had French fries earlier that day for lunch. And then on Monday it was somebody's birthday and they chose Longhorn. So that is one of the reasons why I did not make steaks on Sunday, was we knew we were going to be going to Longhorn on Monday. And that was a really, really good time. I really enjoy spending time with my family. And then Tuesday, we're going to have chicken noodle bake, steamed carrots, salad, and garlic cheese bread. And it's a new to me recipe. It's very simple, but it looked like something everybody would like. And I make extra so I can pack some in my husband's lunch the next day. I'll do that with certain things I make. And then Wednesday, I'm just going to make some old-fashioned meatloaf, mashed potatoes, and I'm going to cook some green spinach, some dark green spinach. I think that would look really good on the plate with the meatloaf and the mashed potatoes, and a beautiful green salad with everything on it: avocado, tomato, cucumbers, celery, radishes, green onions, all the fresh and beautiful vegetables. And I'm going to make some fresh bread. Speaking of vegetables, my garden is coming along and I will show you that. I am super proud of it. I have 2 plants that did not make it or are not making it. So I'm going to have to figure out. It was one of my cucumber plants just disappeared. And then my basil plant doesn't seem to be doing well, which is odd because that's one of the plants I usually have luck with. Okay, back to my meal plan. So now we're on Thursday, and I'm going to grill some pork chops on the grill. And it's about 10 minutes on each side. And then I'm going to make some homemade macaroni and cheese with lots of cheese, some green peas, and I'm going to serve it with some fresh bread and a green salad. And after I'm done with my grill, I always cover it back up after it's cooled off, just to keep it looking really nice. And I'm trying to keep it from just looking nice. And then I'll wipe it down, and I try and take care of my grill as much as I can to prolong it. And then on Friday is family fun night, and someone gets to choose where we go. And I write down on the calendar so we don't mix it up, because years ago we would always mix it up. But actually this Friday is my decision, so I will let you know where I pick. I want to pick someplace new, but it also has to be safe. And then we get Starbucks on Friday. And Saturdays are always I just love Saturdays. So we will either have takeout, we can order pizza, or I'll have leftovers. This Saturday, I made, what did I make? I made a pasta dish. Yeah, so I made a chicken pasta dish, kind of like the chicken noodle bake. That's where I got the idea from. And then we start all over again to Sunday. And last Saturday we went to IKEA, which, it was so fun. I had so much fun there. I love, love, love IKEA. And I wish there were more of them. And I wish there were more Trader Joe's. But this is my meal plan.